Kulika nnyo munaffe tumwebaze Godfrey ate n'abalala bonna abasobodde okubaako mu nteekateeka y'okusaba mwena tubakulisa. Genda mu bitundu eby'Ekasese eyo obusinga obwa Lwenzululu bwina enteekateeka ey'okugenda mu maaso okukwatizaako abalimi ebintu bingi ebirimwa Ekasese eyo ne mu businga okutwaliza wamu era bagamba nti baagala okuyambako abantu abo okugatta omutindo ku birimwa. Katulabe enteekateeka abakulembeze mu kuyambako abalimi mu kitundu ekyo bwetambula.
Obusinga bwa Lwenzululu mu Kasese butandise ku ntegeka ey'okutumbula ebyobulimi mu Banyerwenzululu. Batunuulidde okusitula enfuna y'abantu baabwe ekitundu bwe kiba kya kukulaakulana naddala nga bassa omutindo ku birimwa. Bakireese okwewala ebibaddewo ng'ebikungulwa bivunda mangu ate oluusi nga n'obutale tebubaawo. Agnes Itungu Asimawe mukyala w'omusinga amakanda agasimbye mu ggombolola ey'ekyalusozi ku kyalo Nyaluzigiti mu Kyenjojo disitulikiti ku Njojo Agro ne basoma okusa omutindo ku bintu.
We are going to tell our people that it is time. It is a new struggle. A struggle to development, a struggle to change. Our president, Kaguta Museveni, is telling us Ugandans and abroad that let us put a chibaro in everything.
Munamaje yaganyuka Major General Robert Rusoke eyatandika Njojo Agro agamba batandika okugatta omutindo ku birimwa era baaniriza abajja okusoma.
Have a product, quality product, and then it will sell itself. For me, that's what I think. That's what I think. People are flocking the villages now, looking in Uganda, looking for avocado. We are competing with them. So now it's there. What was your last meeting? The cost.
Yes.
Now we are also saying, since the competition is there, now the Ugandans are also saying, no, since for us we are Ugandans, you reduce for us.
This is an industry that is participating actively in the PDM model. So when you come to Njojo, you learn and see socio-economic transformation. So from this farm being here and this orchard and the plantations, other businesses are able to spur up. So it should show a person, if you visit Njojo, you'll understand like from a simple thing such as farming, several other industries can come out of this.
Abalimi mu Kyenjojo basanyufu olw'ekkolero eribagulako bye bakungula mu budde ate ku nsimbi ezitagaanika ate n'okuwa ab'omu kitundu emirimu.
So now that we have the avocados, it's just a matter of having the certified seed from Lwenjojo and then have it joined with our original avocado in order for us to have a proper hash avocado. So it's an opportunity that we should utilize. The fact that we have the original avocado that is used as the seed down and then the other one is put on top, then it means the practice is going to be easier and we are going to have a realization of this too.
We get oil from it, which is of high value. We export the oil, we can use it for cosmetics in our local industries, and it is also exported as a fruit in itself. It fetches good prices in the export market as compared to our local fruits. So that means it has a high oil content and itself can be sold for good prices.
Agnes Itungu Asimawe mukyala w'omusinga wa Lwenzululu asanyukidde entegeka eno eri abantu b'omu kitundu kyabwe.
But the heart would keep on haunting, asking, after receiving the freedom, when peace is there, when you jump out and down smiling because joy is back, so what next? Development.
Byatumusiime Gerard, Salt TV, Omunyo.
We are planting it in the name of the family, the name of Buyigirizza.